Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Laron. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you've been following and watching my videos, then you know I'm working on building my very first computer. So the next part that I have to show is the power supply. So this is an EVGA 650 GT power supply. So open it up, show you guys what's in it. Oh, there we go. So, this is huge. So this is the power supply right here. It comes with different coverings. So this is the power supply. Here's the back of it for all the ports, the connections. So I have the motherboard connection, of course, VGA 1 and 2, the CPU, SATA 1 and 2, and the PRIF. I believe the PRIF is for older devices that still use that type of connection. And it comes with a gang of cables in here. So let's go through the cables. I have a SATA cable, so that connects to the hard drive. So it's going to connect to the SSD that I have, the 2.5 inch. And I have what's next? Okay, these are the VGA cables. And I have the motherboard cable to connect it to the motherboard. That's what that looks like. I have what else do I have here? Another VGA cable, it looks like. And let's see. I have the CPU cable to connect to get power to the CPU rather. And what's next? And I have, looks like another SATA cable to connect another SATA cable to connect the hard drive to. And last but definitely not least is this is the P-Roof cable. So this looks like the cable for old connection, like old hard drive connections or whatever the case might be, whatever device you might have to use as the connection. So I do have an old 3.5 inch hard drive, so I believe it'll connect to that, but we'll see. So that's it for this video. That's the power supply. That's about all the parts that I have. So that's everything I need to get started. So stay tuned for the video of me putting it together and also the final build, what it looks like, how it runs, etc. So very excited. My very first build. So if you're a new builder like me, I hope you get something out of this content that I've been posting. I hope you've been following the videos. If not, then subscribe to the YouTube channel, see how my first build turns out. And if you're a new builder like I am, then just stay tuned. Hopefully it'll give you the confidence to build your own if you ever want to do it, if you ever want to build one. If you're an experienced PC builder, then any comments or tips that might be helpful, and drop them in the comments below. Maybe someone else will see those who's building their very first computer too can see those and take the jump into building their very first computer like I am. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.